Hey everyone! Today, we're diving into the world of online shopping as we compare two popular platforms, Hagobuy and Pandabuy. With both claiming to offer fantastic deals and a seamless shopping experience, the question on everyone's mind is which one is better? Let's find out. Let's kick things off by looking at Hagobuy. Known for its wide range of products and user-friendly interface, Hagobuy has gained a reputation as a go-to destination for online shoppers. From electronics to fashion, they seem to have it all. The website is clean, easy to navigate, and provides detailed product information, making it a breeze for users to find out what they're looking for. On the other side of the ring, we have Pandabuy. Similar to Hagobuy, Pandabuy offers a diverse selection of items. It's particularly popular for its international shipping options, making it a hit among customers looking for products from different parts of the world. The platform also emphasizes customer reviews, helping users make informed decisions based on the experience of others. Now, let's talk about the bottom line, pricing and deals. Both platform claims to offer incredible discounts, but which one stands out? While Hagobuy often runs flash sales and promotion, Pandabuy may surprise you with exclusive discounts on international products. To determine which is better for your wallet, it might be worth checking out the specific products you're interested in on both platforms. Moving on to user experience and customer service, Hagobuy prides itself on its responsive customer support and a straightforward return process. Meanwhile, Pandabuy's emphasis on customer reviews may provide valuable insights into the quality of products and the reliability of sellers. It's important to consider this aspect, especially when it comes to online shopping. Security is paramount when sharing personal and financial information online. Both Hagobuy and Pandabuy implement security measures such as encryption to protect their users. However, it's always a good idea to check for additional security features and read reviews from other shoppers to gauge the trustworthiness of each platform. So, Hagobuy or Pandabuy, which is better? The truth is, it depends on your specific needs and preferences. If you're looking for a user-friendly interface with a diverse product range, Hagobuy might be your top pick. On the other hand, if you're interested in international product and value customer reviews, Pandabuy could be the right fit for you. Ultimately, the better platform is the one that aligns with your individual shopping priorities. That's it for today. If you had experience with either Hagobuy or Pandabuy, share your thoughts in the comment below, and don't forget to like this video and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest content.